Hello, we are going to see about the societal ideas for the product. I have choose light as a product. The main societal ideas of the product is to consume the energy of the light and to save for us. For example, LED light emit more heat energy. We can store that heat energy to convert it to electrical energy at the time of need when there is no current supply. And similarly, it had many problems with that. To bring up the solution, I made some innovation ideas in this PPT. Let's see about it. Tube light, we have to see about its history. Thomas Edison invented first tube light in 1880. It is electrical current and bulb atmosphere whether air is vacuumed out of bulb and it is filled in an inert gas to prevent the filament from oxidation and burning out. But at the time of invention, when Edison invented the bulb, it has very short lifespan, and so it is too expensive to produce and too much energy must be cost there, and so he used inventing a filament like first testing carbon, next platinum, before finally into carbon filament. Next he came and he thought of idea using a carbon as a filament to glow and bulb. Material used inside a tube light was filament coilers, electrodes, phosphor coated glass bulb, mercury drop, inert gas, electrode shield, end cap, clad stem. The working principle of the tube light: when switch is on, full voltage will come across the tube light through ballast and fluorescent lamps starter. No discharge happens initially. At the full voltage, first the glow discharge is established in the starter. This is because the electrodes capped in the neon bulb of the starter is much lesser than that of inside the fluorescent lamp. The gas inside the starter gets ionized due to this full voltage and hits the bimetallic strip that is caused to be bent to connect to fixed contact. Current starts flowing to the starter. Although the ionization potential of the neon is little but more than that of argon, still due to small electrode cap, high voltage gradient appears in the neon bulb and hence glow discharge is started first in the starter. As voltage get reduced due to the current causing the voltage drop across the inductor, the strip cools and breaks away from the fixed contact. At that moment, a large L di by dt voltage surge come across the inductor at the time of breaking. This high valued surge come across the tube light electrodes and strike pinning mixture. Gas discharge process continues and current gets part to flow through the tube light. Gas only due to low resistance as compared to resistance of the starter. Starter gets inactive during operation of tube light. This is the working principle of tube light. Next, you might have seen the picture of tube light in this slide. Types of tube light we have to know. There are T12 regular, T8 thin, T5 ultra thin. Application of tube lights means it can produce high light output to light of large areas and are well suited for detailed task detailing in industrial application. They can also use in residential applications as up lighting from cabinets, beam or covers under cabinet lighting. Fluorescence or effective lighting for all places. Next, my inventions through modern tube lights are by keeping magnets at the pole of the light which could be able to attract the light quickly to the socket ends which containing attraction property. Nowadays, less power consuming lights are used like LEDs and solar lights. Trending invention like cell phone act as switches which could make more convenient use for the people to operate in a sitting place. And modification of light: foldable tube light because it is easy to carry in all places. When light glow, it emit heat which could be stored and they can be converted into electrical energy when no power supply is applied. This energy can be conserved. Different color of light could be set up in a single light which could be used for a function times. the preparation for the above slides, I have referred some links. So I have described some links in this slide. Thank you.